Hey y'all, I'm Sarah. In this week's book talk, we will be focusing on a contemporary, realistic fiction novel by Pablo Cartaya called Marcus Vega Doesn't Speak Spanish, published in 2018 by Viking, an imprint of Penguin Random House LLC. Marcus Vega Doesn't Speak Spanish follows the story of Marcus, his mother, and his brother Charlie, who has Down syndrome. Marcus is a bit of a loner. Instead of playing sports, going to dances, and just being a regular teen, Marcus prefers to manipulate the rules of the school to make a little extra cash. It helps that people are afraid of Marcus due to one unique characteristic. Most kids clear out of the way when I walk down the hall. They're like campers in a forest who spot a grizzly and scramble up a tree to hide, or in this case, climb into a locker. I've been called the mastodon of Montgomery Middle, the Springfield skyscraper, the moving mountain, the terrible tower, You get the idea. When Marcus finds himself suspended from school, his mother decides that they all need a break and takes her boys on an adventure to Puerto Rico. Charlie and their mom view this vacation as just that, an adventurous vacation. She smiles awkwardly. Adventure? A sleepover at our cow-murdering great-aunt's farm in the middle of nowhere with little singing frogs coquetting everywhere. What's not adventurous about that? Marcus, on the other hand, sees this as an opportunity to finally talk to his dad that's been MIA for years. His journey to find his father isn't the only struggle that Marcus faces. For years, Marcus believed that the only family he had was his mom and his brother. Suddenly, his family is not just the three of them. Instead, he discovers a slew of people claiming to be related. But how can strangers be family? I snap a few more pictures, then my mom takes my hand and puts her other arm around Charlie. There we are, our first trip this far away, watching the night turn into sparkles and light in a place we haven't been, with strangers who say they're family. Marcus's journey to find his father takes him all over Puerto Rico. But is this just a story of reuniting with his dad, or does Marcus discover so much more? Pick up a copy today and read what Marcus finds on his 5-day vacation to Puerto Rico. If this sounds like your cup of tea, but you've already read it or can't get a copy, check out these books. Each Tiny Spark by Pablo Cartaya is the story of Amelia as she tries to reconnect with her father who suffers from PTSD after his most recent deployment. Or check out The Season of Sticks Malone by Kekla Magoon. It is a heartwarming story that follows Caleb and Bobby Green and their new neighbor, Sticks Malone. The boys attempt to pull off the great escalator trade, exchanging one small thing for something better until they have exactly what they want. But can they actually do it? I hope you all enjoyed this book talk. I'll talk to you all next time.